Hello everybody, MD Polo here. Thanks for joining me. Well, finally, today I got in the mail my 15 round flush fit S15 mag for my Glock 43X or 48 from Shield Arms. Now, after being sold out for quite a bit of time, this past Friday they said they were going to be back in stock, and sure enough they were for a couple hours, I think. But I got the notification that they were back in stock, so I jumped on it, got one, and then a few hours later they were back out of stock. So the feeding frenzy has been amazing. They come in a plastic little sleeve that just says Shield Arms S15. You get the mag, which is here on the left, and their cards. And on the other side of the card, it tells you that they really recommend that you change the slide catch on your 43X or 48 and replace the factory Glock one, which is of course polymer, to a metal one that Shield Arm manufactures. And the logic behind it is that as time goes by, the slide catch on the factory Glock, being all polymer, will start to wear against the metal Shield Arms mag. And of course the Glock factory mags are polymer on the outside with a metal shell on the inside, but you've got polymer against polymer. And now if you're using the Shield Arms mag, now you're going to have metal against polymer. Now, from what I heard, they don't expect this wear to really start to become an issue until, the tripod, until about 2,500 rounds. But right away I can see this is going to be an issue is whether you need to commit to one platform or the other, because if using the metal mag with a polymer slide catch is going to be an issue for the slide catch, then once you replace the slide catch with a metal one, are you going to have the same issue but in reverse using the Glock mags being polymer? Are you going to start to show excessive wear on your polymer mags? So I'd like to have a little chat with Shield Arms and see what they think about that. Or you guys, what are your thoughts about that? And if you can put that in the comments, that'd be great. So getting into the mag, here you have it. This is the 15 round Shield Arms. And lights are playing a little bit of a trick on me today, so please bear with me. They're all metal, and it says made in the US. Right here you can see 15 rounds, and I'll just walk you around, let you take a look at it. It's got this ridge in the front part of it. It's got a large hole, as you can see here on the side, but other than that, it is exactly the same size as the factory Glock. And again, I ask for your indulgence with the lights. So on your left, 10 plus 1. On your right, 15 plus 1. Orange follower as well. Different shade of orange. That's a little bit better there. So just letting you take a look at it. Now, some people have been reporting problems with the mags not dropping completely free, and I can only test it right now with my Glock 48. But when I got it, and I should have started filming it as soon as I opened the bag, because it was pretty gunky. It was covered with just, I don't know what it was covered with, but it was not clean. And even then, I inserted it in the Glock 48, and it dropped free. So thankfully I have not experienced that problem. You see, it drops free. But what I did do is I just grabbed some rubbing alcohol, just regular rubbing alcohol. Some people online have been using brake fluid, but I just grabbed some regular rubbing alcohol and just went at it. And this is what came off it. I know it's kind of gross, but this is what came off the mag. But I rubbed it and got all that junk out of there, and it's now better. It's still not 100% clean the way I wanted. You can see some spots there, but it's better. But I've had no issues. It just drops right away. So let me show you, and of course the gun has been safety checked. I know I'm playing around the trigger, but the gun is clear. That's what it looks like. Flush fit. So now I got my Glock 48 flush fit 15+1. And I'll post some pictures at the end. So I'm going to try to do some side-by-sides with the factory mag so you can see it better. But that's what the factory mag looks like. 10+1. And 15+1. So there you go, just a quick video I wanted to show you. I'm going to load the mag tonight and leave it completely loaded overnight and put some spring tension into it. And tomorrow I'll take it to the range and start shooting it. Now I have another mag, Shield Arms mag coming my way. And this is from another gun channel that has been kind enough to lend it to me. And this is from Alaskan Ballistics. If you haven't followed his channel, if you don't know about him, I would go ahead and please give him a follow, check him out. He does really cool stuff, a lot of ballistics testing, and he does it all in a fantastic setting in Alaska. Some of his background photography is just out of this world, and he does some moose hunts and just a lot of fun stuff. So check him out, Alaskan Ballistics, on YouTube, on Instagram, and thank you so much. That was very kind of him to send me that mag, and so I could have two for the upcoming testing. So here you go, Shield Arms for the Glock 48 in my case, or 43X, turning it into a 15+1. Pretty exciting. I look forward to this testing, and of course I will put out a video as a follow-up and let you know how it behaves. So until the next one, God bless.